Homeowners should be worried about a clogged pipe if they have standing water in the bathtub, if the drains are making gurgling noises, or slow draining after you're finished using the fixture.
Drain lines in a home are one of those things that people forget about and they never think there's an issue. So we run into clients all the time that I've lived here 10 or 15 years, never had a backup, and all of a sudden it's backed up. Well, that doesn't mean there hasn't been a problem growing, it's just now can't take the flow. So we offer sewer inspections for $100. We can come out and inspect your system, let you know what your system may or may not need. The most common issues with drains is cast iron, cracking, corroding. ABS plastic is subject to bulging, roots. Generally, cast iron, if it contains roots, that means the pipe is cracked because cast iron is a rigid pipe. A lot of times we have to clean that pipe to verify how long that crack is under the scale layer. Roots don't penetrate cast iron, they only seek the moisture if the cast iron is cracked.
Homeowners should get their drains inspected whenever they have issues. The typical camera inspection for a homeowner, we usually follow behind our drain techs. After they're done clearing the drains, we diagnose all the drains. And then we find the main area of concern and run the camera through a proper access. That'll let us see what's going on, why the drain was clogged, and then we can offer solutions.
So we have a lot of methods nowadays that saves the foundation of your home. That's why we're big into the descaling, the jetting, the re-sleeving, the coating. That preserves a lot of the home. The spray lining system, we generally do that on 2-inch lines, like kitchen, laundry, because access is difficult. We first descale it, hydro clean it, get the pipe clean, then we hook a dryer up to it to make sure there's no residual water in that line. And then we have a machine that runs down there and it sprays with a bristle, and it sprays epoxy on the walls of those pipes. We let that coat cure. We do that process a few times to get a thickness inside of that pipe. The secondary lines, if there is a large crack, a lot of times what we have to do is we run a foam gun in there, we fill the pipe up with foam, and then we sand it out so that way the coating doesn't fall into the crack.
I've been installing in liners since 2007. Since joining Rite Way, we've been able to expand our technology. The benefits of the lining are the speed that we can get it done. They usually take 1 to 2 days to install. The warranty, they come with a 50-year warranty, and the mess. We don't have a mess. We're not saw cutting in your house. We do everything from outside and sometimes have to open up small holes in the walls. So the process is very fast.
The descaling, the hydro cleaning, the preparation for a liner install is pretty non-invasive.
Some of those tasks we can complete the same day. Others we have to schedule for a day or two out in order to pull permits and schedule subcontractors. If you have an older home with mature trees and a slow drain, give us a call for a camera inspection.